Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, kindly comment, like, and subscribe for more of this exciting videos. If you're an old subscriber, thumbs up to you. Yay, we're moving forward. So today we want to talk about DIY. I want to tell you how you can actually make money without actually having skill for it and spending more. Okay? So today I'm going to talk about the direct to film printing. You just see samples up the screen. Okay? Direct to film printing. How you can customize your own polo or whatever it is polo or something like this, throw pillow and cups, and also whatever you want to customize, dresses, how you can actually design it yourself without having a system, without knowing how to design and get it printed.
And if you want to use it as a business, it's actually a good business. So we'll be having series of DIYs idea you can use to make money. So this is like the part 1 of our DIY series. Today we are talking about direct to film printing. So the next video, just keep watching. The next video will be on raising craft, I think so. How you can use things to create out things. Okay, when you get to that video, I don't want to say it all. When you get to that video, you'll see it all. So please follow me as I take you through my screen on how we can get this done and how you can slay with little money, not little money, with little money, and also make profit. How you can post it online, get your client, get it printed, and get it delivered to your client. So I'll take you step by step on how to do it. I don't know if this video I'm going to take it all, but shall do something. We'll see how far we can go. I don't want the video to be too long so that it will not be too boring for you, but we'll do something and you'll get value for your view. Follow me. Okay, now we'll just go to Google and type Printify. From your Printify app, you just type in your email address, put in a random password, and register on Printify. After registering on Printify, you have to go to their catalog. That's where you will see most of the products there. You go to the catalog, enter whatever you want to design on. If it is male, female, hoodie, whatever you want to design on, there you see the design. Then you go on start design. When you start design, if you already have the design on your device, you go to my device, import your design from your device. In this case, now I'm going to use one of my pictures I got to quite doing this voiceover. So I'm going to use the picture to design the front of the hoodie. You can see me arranging the picture on the front. Now we'll go to the back of the hoodie, where we'll go back to our device again to check for other designs to put at the back. By my own now, I want to put a write-up at the back. So this is me searching through my gallery for a write-up or a sticker to use. They have seen one sticker, that's why I'm inserting it. You just arrange it on the back of the hoodie. Arrange it the way you want it to be. So you can see the front of the hoodie. Yes, we are doing you see a mock-up of the front of the hoodie. You see it now on someone, then you see the back of the hoodie. That's when you know your design is ready. Then what you have to do now is just to save your design to your device, and that is it. Then we're going to do different practical for you to see that you can actually do it by yourself. Import pictures from your gallery if you already have stickers and the rest on your gallery. And this is me doing another design. Now I'm not using the picture on the front, I'm using a write-up. This is me getting a write-up, and this is me getting the back of the write-up, where I just search through my gallery to see stickers I've saved from online. I'm using this one now for the back. So you see how the back and the front look like. Now this is the back. This is what I'm writing on the back. Life is tough, so you have to be tougher. Then this is the front now. You can see it on someone's body. Yes, that's just it. That's it for the hoodie. Then now let's do something else. For you to get your design now, you have to go to Printify. You can get design in different places. You go to Printify, you type on sticker. When you click on sticker, you choose the sticker you want. If it's write-up, picture, whatever you want, you choose it. Like me now, see me searching through Pinterest for stickers. So you just scan through it. You see different write-up, different design, which you can actually take to your Canva and work on to make it like unique if you want to do that. This is me going to Canva now. Canva 2, you also go to sticker. When you go to sticker, just click on sticker. There you see different stickers. If you want to use already made Canva sticker, is fine, but you want to use yours. Now I'm trying to look for a fine sticker to use. You can see me selecting this name sticker with the beautiful flower on it. This one want to use it to do a mock up. So this is that you see me now changing the write up to kind of make it mine, putting my company name and everything, trying to change it. You know it was H before Avina, so I'm changing it now to Pray That Word. This is me trying to arrange it to see how it's going to be on the mock up. And after you're done, you just save it to your phone. That's all for your Canva. When you save it to your phone, you see how it will look like. It's just be there on your phone. Then you can also use it to make your mock-up. That's creating a design that you want somebody to see that yes, this is what you actually want to give to the person. You can actually put the mock-up on internet and wherever you want to display your goods. Now I'm trying to create another design for it. This now it's not, I'm not using the flower, I'm using the write-up. You remember the write-up is saved from Pinterest. This is what I'm trying to use to design the mock-up. You can see me designing it, but if you see quite in the sticker, you'll see that we still have the white background. I didn't remove the white background, but if you want to remove the white background so that it will not cover the write-up wall, you just go to Google. When you go to Google, you just type remove background and put your picture there, and it will just give it just the write-up and remove the background for you. So this is me saving my background. I'm going back to Printify, where I have to go and look for what I want to print on, what I want to design on. There I'm looking for a mock up, so I'll just type mock up on the search button. Different mock up will come out. After seeing the mock up you want, you just click on start designing. That's just all. It will open for you. Import your design from your device. It will show you how to, like now I've not arranged it. You can see that the name is beneath the cup, it's not showing properly. So we're going to redo it and trying to make the name balance well on the cup, because now it's not showing properly. Now see the second one I did. Now you can see that the Pray That Word is showing quite alright. Then you save that. All you have to do, put it on your status, and so you can just put them on your status, and when people make order, you go to a printer, you go to a printing press close to you, anywhere you are. If you're in Abuja, just like I am, you can go to zone 10, area 10, sorry, and just show this thing you've already designed. You give it, you transfer it to the printer, and they'll print it out for you. And they also have a machine there where they can actually press it for you, and you get your design and make your money. If you have any question or where to get material, where to print, just let me know and I will